Deedcoin changes the way real estate markets work. Traditionally, when you buy or sell your home, on average, you pay your real estate agent 6% of the cost of the home as commission. We don't think that's fair. Deedcoin tokenizes and decentralizes future real estate commissions by distributing these tokens to the people with a token launch. The token launch funds build a better real estate platform with state license and local Deedcoin network agents everywhere. Everyone is now in a new network where real estate services run on the free market based on the market price of Deedcoin. When people need to hire an agent, they can redeem Deedcoin to pay fair rates of 1% on this new platform. Every transaction on the Deedcoin network increases Deedcoin's value while getting better service than from traditional agents that cost much more. Take your market's average 6% real estate commission. Each 10 Deedcoin eliminate 1% of the commission. 1% powers the entire Deedcoin network. Savvy Deedcoin holder Steve is selling a home for $500,000. He hires local Deedcoin agent Alan. Thanks to Deedcoin, Steve only pays Alan 1% of his home's value in dollars. The other 5% of the commission is eliminated with Deedcoin because each Deedcoin eliminates 1/10 of a percentage of any property. Steve only pays 1% and 50 Deedcoins to sell his $500,000 home, saving Steve $25,000 with Deedcoin. That's $500 per Deedcoin. Even buyer Bob, who is buying a home for $700,000, can use Deedcoin. The normal commission for his agent is 3% of the property's price. He can use 25 Deedcoin to get 2.5% of his home's price back. Bob gets a rebate of $17,500 when closing on his new home. That's $700 per Deedcoin. By taking all real estate commissions, making them tokens, and giving them to the people, we let the free market set the price of real estate services. The countdown has started, and Deedcoin supply is limited. Join the cause at deedcoinlaunch.com.